My hair is super slick, how I like it. Like what I showed y'all in that video is how I keep my hair in a ponytail. All I did after I layered on the gel, the oils, the creams, all of that, I sealed it with this. This right here, must have product. You can use this for your wigs, you can use it for your natural hair. Literally, you can kind of hear it like, because it's sealed, honey. So yeah, girl, I thought it was a wig. I thought it was a wig. So when I sell all of my hair products, all my hair extensions, they come with this bag, and this is what I keep my stuff in so I can know what it is. This is Patricia, and she is my 4C texture natural hair ponytail. She's 100% virgin hair. This is what she look like. All I'm gonna do is wet her, put her on, and we gonna see how she doing. Okay, this is what I'm using. It's the Curl Defining Cream by Suave Professionals. I actually like this line. I like how it smells. I've been using the shampoo and conditioner. I'm just using a little bit on this hair since it's been in the pack. But I've been using their shampoo and conditioner on my natural hair when I wash it, and I actually like their products, so I'll actually recommend them. So I'm just saturating the hair with the, and the way I'm holding it, this drawstring is going to go at the bottom, so I'm holding this as the top of my ponytail. And then I'm going to take a little bit more water and just rub it in. And make sure you open the ponytail up so you see how all the hair on the top and the middle. I like to wet the brush too. I like when the hair, you see, when you wet it a little bit, it just glides through the hair. Is the look that I want to go for. So this is what it looks like. And I just, I'm gonna see if this can sit up here. I use gel to, if y'all ever heard of like the wet, what is it called? What is it called? Not Wet and Wavy. The natural hair, when the natural hair community, when you do, a wash and go, after they define the curls, they use gel to seal in. Y'all know what I'm talking about? So that's what I'm about to do. Just so it can be curly at the bottom, using the same Eco Cellular gel. Taking this much. So I'm really focusing on the ends, and I'm doing praying hands on the actual. And you can blow dry it to seal it in. I'm only blow drying it because of this video. I really don't have anywhere to go. So, thank you, Vlogmas. I'm gonna show y'all the inside of it. So there is a comb at the top, comb at the bottom, and a drawstring. So taking the top of the ponytail, putting putting it here. Taking the bottom of the comb, putting it underneath. Then I take this drawstring and I pull it as tight as I can. Y'all see this black thing? I move this black thing up. Pull it as tight as I can. And all I do is wrap this around. And I tuck it. So y'all, this is the finished look. This is what the ponytail looks like. I love this ponytail. It really mimics my natural hair. And it's really natural. It's super easy. All you have to do is detangle your hair. Manage it just like you manage your natural hair. Detangle it with water. Add in this, what is this? Suave curling defining cream. I love this stuff. Love, love, love this stuff. And you just seal it with a little bit of Eco Styling Gel. And it's cute. It's cute. It's cute. I really like how it looks like this. Sometimes I put my natural ponytail up so then it comes up a little higher. But guys, it's gonna look so much better. So maybe I'll come back on after it dries. But yeah, I'm about to tie down my edges in the meantime because she's good. I'm gonna seal my hair in with this Got to Be High Insta Hold. So I'm about to this is like when you're about to go out, you just refresh it with the spray and then tie your scarf on it. Just lift it. On period. But yeah, thank y'all all for watching this Vlogmas day. This is the number right here. I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow on the next one.
Together.